So this article, CMHC reveals 24% of mortgage holders struggle with monthly payments. This means 1 out of 5 Canadians who are paying mortgages, they cannot afford the mortgage anymore. And this article was published September 17, way back before we got our CPI numbers. So sa mga usap-usapan na magtataas ulit ng interest rate, this number can climb. This data is coming from wawa.ca. And as you can see here, ito yung mga statistics ng banks on their negative amortization. Negative amortization is kahit nagbabayad ka ng mortgage, sabihin na natin nagbabayad ka ng 2,000 per month, pero yung interest mo ay 2,200 per month. Negative amortization ang tawag doon. Ibig sabihin, kahit anong bayad mo ng 2,000, imbis na mabawasan yung principal or yung utang mo, nadadagdagan pa siya. So, BMO has 32.8 billion. That's 22% of their mortgage portfolio. TD has 45.7 and CIBC has almost 50 billion. So, ano nga bang ibig sabihin nito para sa ating mga regular mortgage holders? That in the coming months, if there will be more interest rate hikes, more and more will not be able to afford their homes. And this is one argument I want to point out, lalo na sa previous videos ko na nagsasabing kung nagre-rent ka, yung mga landlord, pwede nilang itaas yung renta mo anytime at pwede kang palayasin. Ang hindi natin nakikita, we are also at risk as mortgage holders. Kasi kung dumating sa point na hindi na natin ma-afford yung mortgage, the lender has the right to foreclose the property and sell it. So, pag nagre-renta ka, ang risk mo is mapalayas ka ng landlord. Pag nagmo-mortgage ka, ang risk natin ay mapalayas ng lender. So, yun lang, just wanna share.